Pete, you ready?
I'm ready.
All right.
This is a very hard substance. They're going to be hitting it hard. That makes me really nervous.
And while I was chopping this ring up here, pretty rough on the hand.
I'm just happy that my sword is still in one piece at the end of this.
Got about halfway through that bone, just blowing pieces off of it. And still has an edge.
Good.
Nice job.
Thank you.
Dave, you're up next. You ready?
Sure. I'm seeing these femur bones. I'm getting ready to almost throw up. I don't want to see this destroyed. Bent.
A lot of stress in that blade.
No kidding.
You can see the edge folded over,
Yeah.
sort of bent right around that point of impact right there. You can see we chopped right through this bone. About 3 blows to crack that open.
Watching Dave work on those bones with my sword is the absolute most nerve-wracking, stomach-twisting experience that I've ever had as a knife maker.